Hi guys, Nick here, and today I'm going to over Jurassic World Mettle toy. Hi, I'm Bob Arts and Review, and this time we're going to be doing a box set called Camp Adventure Set. It comes with 3 dinosaurs here and 1 human character, which is Darius from the Cretaceous his Netflix series, which is what this is blinded under. It's got a Stegosaurus, Ankylosaurus, and a Baryonyx. And this little Ankylosaurus is a baby version of Bumpy, because that's how she started out as when she was first introduced. It was in the second episode of the Cretaceous series. And here's the back of the box. Excuse me. And the Stegosaurus can do a tail strike. Right then. And the Baryonyx has a chopping action to it. And not much for Bumpy here or Darius. They can move their legs and stuff. What we're going to get into once I open the box and get all of these action figures out. And now let's open the box. And if you enjoyed today's unboxing and review, make sure to give this video a like and comment and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and press on the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and so you will be notified of when new videos are uploaded to the channel. I upload videos on the channel three times a week. Hey then, now let's continue on with unboxing here. Got the Stegosaurus out. Here's Bumpy. Got Darius out, and now it's got Baryonyx out. And let's attach its tail to the Baryonyx here first. And now, got the tail attached, and now let's do a review on these guys. We got the Baryonyx. This is a second Baryonyx as I got in my Jurassic World Mettle toy collection. And then, you can see that she can move her mouth open and close. It's because of the jumping action. And that she does. That's like this. And you can move your legs to make it like she's walking or running. And you can move your arms. You can't move the tail leg or the head, I mean. And she's got some dark brown and dark green main skin tone. And for this version of a Bionics. Next, we got Bumpy. And this is a second version of Bumpy that I got in my collection. You can't move any of her body parts. I got the grown up version of Bumpy that makes noises. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out on my channel. Hello, and now let's move on to the final dinosaur of the adventure pack. We got a Stegosaurus. That's right here. And just like with the Bionics and Bumpy, this is a other Stegosaurus I got in the collection with a different skin color. It's all gray. And you can move the legs. It's in whatever position you want to make it like she's walking and stuff. And you can move the head slightly. And you can touch down on one of the platings here to make her to move her tail while she's attacking. And the Bionics. Is pretty cool. And she's got some spikes on the edge of her tail. So she can do some damage to her Bionics. And for the human character in the set here, we got Darius, one of the main characters of Cretaceous. As in, this is the second Cretaceous character I got in my collection, and for Jurassic World Mettle toys. And you can move the legs here and make them look like bending and stuff. And you can also move the arms around, and you can move the head a little bit. He's got his willow hoodie when he got to Cretaceous. And you can move the arms to much of the line as it does on his arm. And he's got his raptor fossilized tooth right here, which he got as a present from his dad. That way before he went to Cretaceous. As in before his dad passed away. And from some kind of thing he had. And then he's got a white shirt underneath his willow hoodie. And that's about it for today's unboxing and review of Jurassic World Mettle, how Cretaceous his adventure camp set. And then, stay tuned for more videos. I had some videos ready to be uploaded during the week. And still working my way through the chaotic review series. So stay tuned for more opposite reviews. And more reviews. There's other stuff coming soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.